Alright, so this is how to access the Google form. When you come to Google, you search for Google form here. As you can see here, this first one that says Google form sign in. And when you are signing in, make sure that it's that Gmail that you use in opening the account that you use to access it. Make sure that is the email that is logged in your laptop. Alright, so you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, as you can see, it has taken me to Google form. As you can see here, it has taken me to Google form. This is the form itself. If you had created other ones, it would have shown here, but this is the one that I just created for you. So you just open it. When you open it, let's allow it to load. When you open it, as you can see here, this is the form itself and the questions. So here, this is where, if you want to see the response and also how to download it and get the response, you come to this place that says response. Click on it. When you click on response, it will show you the number, the response, people that have responded, and their answers. This is it here. This is it here. These are their response. These are their response. But I don't know, is it possible I add name so that people, like in the question, I add name, email address and phone number, so that the people that actually fill those forms. But let's move on. This is how to see the response. Then if you want to get the response, like download it, you go to this place here, this place that says link to sheets. You click on it. When you click on this link to sheets, it says here create a new spreadsheet, because I've not created a new one. Alright, you can just come here, give it a name or something. Let's say Sterling specialist hospital. I'm just going to give it this name, hospital. Alright, then you create a new spreadsheet. Alright, click on create. You just wait for it to, as you can see, it has taken you to spreadsheet where that look at the response here inside the spreadsheet. Alright, this is the response here. These are all the response inside the spreadsheet. Alright, so this is it. Then if you want to download this, you can now come to this place and click on files, then go to download. When you click on download here, it will ask you if you want to download it as Microsoft Excel, Open Doc, PDF, web page, anyone can, but PDF is always the best, or Microsoft Excel, yeah, any one of these two. Alright, let's say we choose PDF here. As you can see, I started, you come to this place here, you open that response, those response. Let's increase so that we'll see what we have here, as you can see. But let me try and do something. Let me download it as spreadsheet instead of PDF. Let me download as spreadsheet. Download as Microsoft Excel. As you can see, when I clicked on it, it will start downloading automatically. Look at it here. Let me get the response here now. Let me open it so you can see it. Alright, this is the response here. This is the response. This is it here. This is the time that the person filled the form. Here, and these are their responses. So if you want to send it to someone, you can just go to your folder and then forward it to the person via email. Alright, that's how to do it.